It's ugly!
Nee, you know.
Hi, welcome to Ipasoy. So, my mother-in-law, she's got another project. Yes, she's got a new project. So, she got two little birds and she got a cage like, I think like, something like this. But she wants a bigger one. So she bought a bigger one. Ta-da! And I'm gonna try to put it together for her. So if you like it, you can watch me how I'm gonna put this thing together. Ow, my arm! Ow. It's so big. I need a knife. What? It's not golden. So my mother-in-law got an issue with golden stuff. So I was like, okay, it's gonna be a golden cake, but it isn't. Everything is content, everything is content, everything is content. The feeling thingies, some screws. This is big. Jesus Christ, this thing is huge. Okay, those birds gonna be so happy. They're like this. 2 times. 2 little birds. And they're gonna get this big cage. So they're gonna be 2 very happy birds. 2 very happy birds. It's gonna be. I can use this for my Stranger Things stuff. Oh.
Sorry, it's a joke.
A very bad joke. Let me put this over here. Yeah, the other piece I'm gonna use too. So first, yeah, this is not gonna help me because it's in... Oh no, wait, there is English too. Oh, damn it. There is not one video without the stupid noises of my husband. What are you doing today? I'm making a cakes for my birthdays. Not my birthdays, but quality and increased leverage. This is a very long joy in your new cake from the Modena Mother Picture Shop. Oh, that's cool. If you want and you want to make it bigger, you can put them together and then can make a bigger cage. If I read it right, that's cool. Yeah, first we're going to do this, and yeah, because I don't like to start and then I don't know which screws I need, so I always take the screws out first so I see the difference, because they always use letters and numbers and shit, and then I'm like, okay, now I don't know which one I need, so I want to know beforehand which screws I need. Even kijken, dus I don't know. I'm gonna make it for her and then I really don't think this is gonna fit. She got a spot for the birds and she was like, I want to put it there again. But I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna fit. So let me check that first before I put it all together. Are you coming with me? It's fine, come. So this is the cage. It's very big. It's a 7-7. Now I'm going to the spot of the birds. So these are the birds. And the big cage needs to come here, but I don't think it's gonna fit. But let's try. Oh, sorry jongens. Sorry guys. Yeah. That's not gonna fit. So I really don't know what her idea was for this, but it's not gonna fit. They're so cute. Let's go back. Okay, I was like, okay, it's too big. I asked my husband because my mother-in-law doesn't know that I'm put it together for her. So I asked my husband if he knows that she knows that it's too big. And yes, she knows it's too big. It will be a little bit too big on the side, so it will be a little bit in front of the windows. She was like, yeah, if I go smaller, it will go downsize too. And she don't want it. She wants a big cage for the little birdies. that's the story. So I'm gonna put it together and let's do this. Put this cage together. I'm fucking it up. Okay, I got it. I need this one, then I need this, and then I need some screws. That's funny. They're talking about 4 screws, but it only got 2 holes. So, and which one do I need? The 20. This one. So this needs to go on here. Does it not go like this? Wait, maybe it needs to go like this? No. Wait. So this is the outside, and then this goes on this side. Yeah, first I need a screwdriver. 1 minute please, I'm back in a chat. Hey, got it. Sorry for the noises. My dishwasher is doing my dishes. Because life will go on. Maybe this one fit. Yay! So now the thing says, this is so weird. You got hooks and things and they're talking about 4 screws, but it is only 1. I'm not doing it. No, this is the way, okay. Something like that, I think. Still, I think this is so weird, but because all the gross stuff of the birds can go in here and yeah, okay. The other one needs to do this too. Oh, this one is already, oh shit, crooked. It's very soft metal. Oh, you don't have to use this with a strong little birdie, because then it's gonna be gone. Because if I only have to do a little bit like this, it's already. But okay. Where's my doggy? Where's my Manosha? Yeah! Yay! Wat doet dat zonder jou? I need to get the big one. 3 screws. Why do I have the feeling this is not going right? Yeah, so don't look at the ground, it's gross. Because I'm lazy. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. If I'm watching at the thing, then I'm never gonna put it together, so. Now they say you need to put the big one with the door in it. Wait. Put it like this, because the door is going like this. So if I put it the other side in, then she cannot go in the cage. So this is going here. Now I need to put the adhesive on the top. Where's my screwdriver? Over here! I was like, I did something wrong, but no, I'm going great. So now I need to slide those 2 in. Let's do that. So now this one needs to go this. Oh wow, awesome. And this one is for the poopies, and that one goes here. Wow, that's awesome. Awesome. It's so cool. This is the paper. I done everything, but I still don't have the lock on it. And I don't have to put, I don't know where I need to put those wooden stick stuff. Yeah, I'm just, I'm going YOLO. This works now. Now, I got a bunch of screws. I think they gave too much. I hope they gave too much, because if that's not the case, the cage will break or something. I don't know. I think I did it right. Something like this. Ta-da! So this is the cage. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it to my mother-in-law. This was the video. Like, subscribe, and leave a nice comment down below. And I hope I see you in my next video. Okay, bye! Doei! Hou hier schnitzel. Vaarwel. Love you. Bye! Mwah! Doeg! See you later!